Hey guys, Kev here, and I have a package to unbox for you. So this is coming by way of Big White EDC, and I'm going to unbox it with my James Brand Ellis. Kind of on a roll with this guy. These are available. There's a link down below. I have a 10% discount code. I believe it's LeftyEDC, and you'll get 10% off your order, which is cool. They are $109, which is a little pricey, I think, for this. But it'll be $100 at the code. I do think it's cool. It's really slim, 0.31 on the thickness. So we have what looks like 4 things here. One of them I actually have already. Just out of happenstance, another company sent me one. This is the pod in Zerk. So I already have the Zerk pod, actually. I really like it. I'm trying to think of where it is right now. Is it in my pocket? Is it in here? Yep, there it is. So is there a number on here? Just so I don't forget which one's which. Yeah, right in here. God, I can't read that. Can you guys read that? Ah, there we go. Number 1? Wow, look at that. Number 1 of 50 international. Huh. Cool. Good for me. This one's number 17 of 50, so they are sticking to their 50 rule, I guess. I'm wondering if I should even open it. Pod 2 right here. The only reason I would want to open it is to see if it's like snappier for whatever reason. Yeah, I'm gonna open it. Ah, crazy like that. So here is number 17, guys. Got a little wiggle there. Is this one? Yep. So let's see. Yeah, they're identical. So that is the Zerk Pod 2. Really cool. I was excited to get this from Big White EDC, and then the other one just showed up. I didn't know it was coming, so, you know, that's what happens sometimes. And I'll figure out what to do with this one. But big shout out to Big White EDC. Guys, definitely check out the website. I'll link it down below. You can use my code LeftyTen. It'll work on anything except for DZ metal toys stuff. But yeah, this is YEDC, and this is, I don't know. There's a couple things I asked for and a couple I can't remember, so it's just gotta figure it out. The last one from them was this slider I hated. This is, oh, I actually bought this. Forgot about this. This is a Mokutai or Zerkutai coin. I bought this. I used my points and then paid like $50. And it's made of Mokutai, and it's a double coin or whatever they call it. Let me get some of this stuff out of here. Sorry. All right. Look at that. So, big problem with this right off the bat is it's going to be slick. I didn't even think of that. Interesting. That feels kind of cool. And this would fit in my slips, too. So, it's just the same on both sides? Oh, I thought it was different. Okay. Does it open? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay, so we got ratchet thingies, springs, we got all types of stuff. So let's see. I think there's supposed to be other balls. Okay, so these look the same to me. Are the springs different? They look the same too. Can I install more springs? This could be a bad idea. Oh, I see. Hold on. Oh, shit. Okay. Let's just see what happens. Let's take it out. I'll deal with the consequences. So there's balls in there riding on the track. Okay. So they go in each side, and then there's these springs, flaps. So do these come out? Like, what comes out? What can I upgrade here? Because it's not very clicky. I think this comes out, like it slides this way, yeah. So then you have this spring. Okay, let's see. That's a little spring. Is this a bigger spring? The balls are the same. So let me put all this stuff over here. Did not mean to get into all this right now, but hey, what are you gonna do? So, spring. Yeah. Yes, the spring is bigger. Okay, so I'm going to put that over there. And I'm going to take this guy, and I'm going to put it in here. I got to remember which ones I've done. This is going to suck. Put it in there, and then which way is it going? With the, yeah, like this, I think. Okay, so like this. Have to figure out a way to, oh, okay, I think I can do this. Push it. Push down. No. I could use something as like a depressor, you know? Something to push it down. Can't be that hard. Oh no. Set right on top. Okay, so we got that one done. Then we gotta get this one out. Okay. Put that there. Grab this. Shit. Damn, dude, the stuff they put in these is so damn small. It's so hard for me sometimes. I couldn't imagine somebody with like 2XL hands or something doing these. Okay, so this guy goes like this. Right? Wait. Oh, shit. That spring just felt lighter for some reason. I seriously wish that this kind of stuff would be easier. So, okay. Yeah, this one just feels easier for some reason. So, I think this is still one of the tiniest springs. So I don't get the point. Why did they only give me... Those are identical. Why did they only give me 2 bigger springs? They only gave me 2 bigger springs. So does that mean that it's just too strong with more? I don't know. Let's find out. But good news is I only have to replace one more, right? If I can find it. Man, these are so hard to see. Jesus. Sorry. Okay. Guessing I replace one on each side. Is that what I should do? Okay. Now we flip it over. And do this one. Small spring, big spring. Okay. Slide this guy in here. I need to push it down somehow. Okay, yeah, it's gotta like sit underneath it. I gotta make sure I got them right. Yep, okay. So then, not only did we have to do all that, now we gotta take all the balls out. If you're still here, I am amazed right now. Although some of you guys sign up just for this shit. What was that? Did you see that? It's like fucking shit came out of there. What's that blue stuff? Alright, whatever. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 6. So then I'm guessing I can just plop this on, right? Like that. And do the same. So it's really not that hard. It's just a matter of getting the right springs. I'm really hoping I didn't miss something in that box, like another pack of springs. Over here. These balls are not different, right? Nah. They don't look different. Oh, seriously? Right there. I do not like that. It seems like it would come apart real easy, but there's really no way for it to come apart in your hand, so that's not really an issue. Yeah, it's cool, but it's just not going to replace this. It's just not going to replace one of these for me. I just got one of these, by the way. Check this out. NJT hand power. This is crystallized tie in purple or pink. Listen to that. I mean, there's just no comparing it. this is a ratchet, obviously, but it just doesn't have enough resistance. And then, honestly, even if it did, then it would get too slippery for me. So if anybody out there is looking for one of these, let me know if I still have it when this video posts. I'm just going to leave it the way I have it set up. And who knows, I could have done it wrong for all I know. But let's get these pieces in, then we'll check out these other two. One. And we got... Oh shit, that flung. I actually saw it somehow. Got it. That was 3 springs. Did I have 4? I assume I had 4. Nope. Got it. That, folks, is why you use a tray. Okay. Here's some stuff. Shout out to YEDC and Big White EDC. It is cool. It is really cool. If you're not, like, thinking about that just, oh my god, that hits so hard. You know? It's still good. It's just a different type of good. It's like those ratchet rings. If anybody's interested in those, I got a size 11. Let me know. But good size. It would fit right in here. Perfect. So, Oak City Leather Supply can make you a slip if you needed it. But, alright. So that's that one. So good. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the... I should keep that in case I get rid of it or whatever. Okay, Black Mirror. Oh, right, I asked for one of these. This is the Capsule or whatever. Don't they have a tear? Oh, yeah, here. Black Mirror is known for having cool design, but pretty much bad function. So I'm not expecting much here, but hey. Usually there's like a card with it. This is a good weight. This is titanium. Ooh. Hey, Black Mirror. It's a little weird because of the hooks. So you're like trying to hold here and push and you can't. It's got to hold down here. I'd say the biggest downside is just the fact that there's only 2 clicks. Is there supposed to be more? Like, look at that. Looks like it's supposed to travel further. No, look, it's notched in. So here's the pieces. Little piece in the middle goes up and down. And it clicks on each side, so 2 clicks. Yeah, I actually really like this. I wanted the Zerk one, but they were out of stock. But maybe I'm kind of glad I got the tie. The only downside is if that, I don't know what that piece is in the middle. Hopefully it's not titanium, so it's not going to have an issue wearing. It seems to slide pretty well. Yeah, I mean, it's got just as much snap as... I mean, that's 1, 2 clicks. Now, this one has more travel. See how it just feels like more travel than that. But I like it. And I like I can just flip it over and yeah, look at that. You get this side, different texture. Yeah, this is cool. This one is number 23 of 100 in titanium for international, I guess. I don't know how that works. This guy says, I don't know what it says. P2, pod 2. Yeah, I like this a lot. I just don't like that you can get caught up here and then not be able to open it. But once you get used to it, solid little fidget. And it looks cool. I mean, right? I think so. All right. Last one is the Pico. I think this is stainless. I think that's what he's, yeah, stainless steel PVD coating. Not my favorite materials, but I really wanted to try this product, so I was fine with it. ACEDC always has some dope packaging. Let's do it. Looks like they updated some stuff. I like that. You get balls and a disc. See what is in here. And then here's the piece. Number 106. Does not have China smell. It smells good. All right, so this is the Pico, and it's obviously looking like a guitar pick. And it kind of reminded me of that Gal Studios thing that I hated. So I was like, is this going to be good? And it spins like this. Not bad. It's a little weighty because of the steel. So if it was Thai or Zerk, I think I'd like it better. But this spin is pretty good. Oh, let me move this pen. By the way, this pen is baller. Zerk Dragon Scales from Smooth Precision Pens. Link down below for them, too. Absolutely stunning pen. So on this side, it spins this way. It's got a decent click to it. Does it go up and down too? It does nothing else but spin or rotate. So it says ACEDC 2022, Let's Rock, Pico Pick. And then it's got the Pinocchio guy on there. Let's see what's inside. I've learned to hold them straight up when you do this. Okay. So we have a bearing. Okay. We have this little plate, which I think this was just an extra for wear and tear. And then you have extra balls. They seem to be the same, so I'm not seeing a difference. How do those come out? See that? I wonder if I'm supposed to push from the inside. I mean, that screw is only going to undo that plate. Don't see a reason to do that, but how do you get these balls out? Is it magnets? What? That's a strong magnet. Just wondering if I'm supposed to push there, or is that a ball? Like, I don't know, that wouldn't do anything, would it? I don't have anything to poke down there, but how do you change the damn balls out? Guys, what the heck am I missing? Oh, is this a plate? That's a plate, isn't it? I think that comes up. Ha-ha! Took me a minute, guys, but I figured it out. You can't trick me. All right. Question is, can I These might be too big, but let's see. Please don't be too big. Please don't be too big. Please don't be too big. I have balls from some other stuff, so she said, they're too big. Damn it! Alright, I got one other thing, though. Hold on, let's see. Is that one of the big ones down there? Yeah. Okay. Calm down. These are too big. But I spy with my little eye some other ones. Let's see. I think those are the right size. I think these might fit. Yes. Because I think ceramic would be awesome. And there's 6. And they're the right size. All right, let's try it. So these would go in here, like so. But these would not be magnetic. So that might detract from the action, right? Might not work with ceramic. You know what I mean? Yeah. Because that magnetizes to... I think the balls are holding it in, right? Let me just make sure. Hey, look at that. But even if I... Well, now it's staying in there, so hold on. Let's just try it. I doubt it works. I'm guessing the balls play a part in the click, 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 click. So, look at that. It's like that golf game. Okay, we hold that in. Pop it in. Yeah, it doesn't even register. So, you can... I don't know what I'm doing. Let me get these back in here. Okay, is that all of them? Yeah. Alright, so let's put that away. Failed experiment. So you could technically do this. It doesn't stay until you close it, but you could pop this in like this, and then now it'll stay together, and you'd have like a little spinner. Not a good one, mind you, but spins a little nonetheless. And then this bearing doesn't make a difference either way, right? I don't think so. So then what you do is you take these guys. They're all magnetic, as you can see. They're jumping and all that kind of shit, which is not good for me. Once they're in, they stay in good. They might just be magnetic by association. Get it? Crap. All right. Plan B. I think I can just do this. The magnet in there is going to help us. Yep. You pick up stuff as you go along, guys. Well, some stuff. Might not work, by the way, but... Yeah. You always want it when you have something like this, or a slider that you're swapping magnets on. You always want to use a magnet underneath another driver or another slider, something underneath to pull the magnets down. That way it helps you know which way and all kinds of stuff. Yeah, it's not bad. I would suspect if you got titanium it would snap a little better because you'd have lighter weight material. But either way, I mean, it's not for me, that's for sure. But I see the value in this, sort of. So that's the Pico in stainless. Very cool. So you got the Pico in stainless. We've got the Mokutai ratchet coin with the upgraded spring. It does have good resistance, I'll say. For the setup with the polished finish, I think this is a good tension. And look at that gold on the side. That is gnarly. So we got that guy. Then we got this Black Mirror Capsule, Space Capsule, which I gotta say is the star of the show for me. I really like this guy. Really good click. And that was like the throw-in one. I was like, eh. And then we have another Pod 2, but I already had one of these, so I know it's awesome. So I have an extra one, which is cool. Really dig that. So this was a good unboxing. Really similar sized items. This is my size right here. I don't want stupid thick, stupid heavy, stupid big desk toys, that kind of stuff. It's just not my jam. But yeah, I mean, some size comparison. I can pull the NJT back out. I'll just grab a different one. I got a whole bunch. So here's one. I'll grab one for each so you can see the size. How about that? There. So if you know the NJT hand power, that'll help you. And then here's a knife. This is the Lathworks Vanish. Very small knife, but size comparison. So let me know what you guys think. Go check out Big White EDC, linked in the description. Big shout out to Yang, great dude. Check out his Facebook group, very active. He also has a chat there, very active. It's a great place if you're into fidgets. It really is. So I highly recommend bigwhiteedc.com and use my code LeftyEDC over there. And check you out some fidgets. There's always new stuff coming, and he's very good about letting people know. This is actually satisfying. I think I like this better than this. The ratchet stuff for me is like, you have to do these slow, kind of long pulls, right? Where magnets, you get to kind of click, 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 shorter pops. And that's kind of what I like, right? The shorter pops. So I'm just always going to be a magnet guy, I think, over ratchet. But some of you guys are more into the, you know. If I still have them when this posts, some of these may be available, these two in particular. I may also save some of this stuff for giveaways, or who knows what I'll do with it. But very cool. Again, big shout out to Big White EDC. Check them out. I love you guys. Hope you have an absolutely fantastic day. And I will catch you later.